Hello friends, in this video we will learn about how we can fix the error of payment transaction decline error. If you find an error on Cash App when you send money to your receiver, there is the option for decline payments. To fix this issue, you just need to search Cash App. After searching Cash App, then click on Cash App website. It is a blog on my website, my country, but I will tell you how you can fix this issue. You just need to click on Help Center, or you can click on How we can help link. When you click on this link, you see a assistant. There is assistant. You just need to ask him the issue of your transaction. When you send the issue of your transaction, it will ask for screenshot or it will ask for transaction id. When you send transaction id, it will fix the issue. You can send or receive money from the uh, receiver or sender. This is a tutorial about how we can fix the issue of transaction decline error in Cash App. Thanks for watching.